This dictation is 80 words per minute taken from Progressive Magazine exercise number 19. Ready? Sir, there are 3 items which are covered by this bill. I support the 3 items because this bill symbolizes and represents a new national development of having a consensus on certain basic questions. It is also a happy augury that the approach is not a negative approach, and it is not being said that the preamble of the Constitution, in so far it has been changed by the 42nd Amendment in respect of its secular or socialist character, shall go. It is not said that the list of fundamental duties shall go. It is not said that the directive principles which were amended to provide for workers' representation or for legal aid or for conservation of natural resources will go. That is a healthy development. So far as the Congress party is concerned, it has approached the question with an open mind. Para. Regarding the government proposal with regard to internal security, the Congress party has made it clear as a result of experience that it is opposed to internal disturbances as such, and it is against the retention of a clause as to internal disturbances in the event of the armed rebellion. As a result of recent experience, we as the Congress party stand by those provisions of the 42 amendment, such as the amendment to the preamble or the directive principles, and we also say that there should be no power in Parliament to declare an internal emergency. But I would like the Law Minister to consider this question not merely from the point of view of the 42 Amendment, but from the point of view that the Constitution should become a dynamic instrument of socio-economic change to deal with the basic questions that are before the nation. Why did we think of the constitutional amendments? Why did the first constitutional amendment come? Why did Panditji come to Parliament with the first constitutional amendment? It was because our legislation for the abolition of Zamindari was struck down. Why did Pandit Nehru come to Parliament in 1955 with the fourth constitutional amendment? Again, it was because our socio-economic legislations were struck down. Therefore, when we consider a constitutional amendment, we have to consider the problems that had arisen. Certain property rights which became part of the fundamental rights had stood in the way of various socio-economic legislations like land reforms, etc. Full stop.